Amazon KDP just got way easier. There's a new AI tool called Coloring Book AI that helps you create coloring books in literally minutes. You don't need any drawing skills or any design software, literally nothing. If you ever wanted to publish coloring books on Amazon but thought it was too complicated, well, this is your opportunity to start doing that right now because this AI tool is everything you need. By the end of this video, you'll know how to make your first coloring book in less than 1 hour and start building an income from Amazon KDP. So what exactly is Coloring Book AI? Well, it's an AI platform designed specifically for coloring book pages. You can generate full coloring books in 1 click. You can batch coloring book pages, so instead of just making 1 page, you can actually make 30 pages. And it's going to export as a PDF, so you don't have to do any type of conversions. First, sign up for Coloring Book AI, and I left the link in the description for you. It's super quick, it takes less than 30 seconds. Next, choose the theme of your coloring book. So categories like stress relief, cute animals, inspirational quotes, and cozy spaces are pretty good niches. And for this demo, I'll go ahead and choose cute animals. Now in this area, you're gonna actually write your prompt. If you don't have a really good prompt, I recommend using ChatGPT and ask it to give you a prompt for the specific coloring book that you are looking to create. And once you have your prompt in there, you have to choose your difficulty level. So there's toddler, children, teenagers, and adults. For this example, I'm just gonna go ahead and leave it at toddler. And then you choose your dimensions. There's the default that's 8.5 by 11 inches, and then there's square, which is very, very popular right now. And they also have the option for you to choose a landscape. Right down here is where you can choose the batch. So if you want to create 4 coloring pages, you can go ahead and create 4 coloring pages at one time. This option right here allows you to keep your creations private. Of course, click on that high quality print if you want to sell this on Amazon KDP. And also you want to make sure you remove the watermark. And here is what it created based on the prompt that I gave it. Once you have your pages ready, you can download as a PNG or a PDF. I do recommend downloading as a PNG, and I'll show you why in Canva. So to make this coloring book complete, you're gonna wanna add a title page, a this book belongs to page, and a cover page. And you can do all of this within Canva. Now, this is why you want to download your art as a PNG. So I'm gonna go ahead and download this as a PNG right now. And we're going to upload this into this Canva document so we can actually start creating our coloring book. Let me go to the downloads here, drag this in, and you see all we have to do is drag it in like that and then pull this up so it fits the entire page. And this is one of our pages. Now, I do like to add a blank page in between just in case there's any marker leaks. And I'm going to add another page so we can add another picture here. So let me go ahead and download this baby elephant here in some water. Download PNG. And let's just do the same thing. Let's drag it on our screen, place this to the corner, and drag it up so it fits the entire page. Now, this is coming along very good. But like I said, you do want to add a title page and you do want to add a copyright page and a this belongs to page. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. So let's go ahead and do the this belongs to page. All we have to do is go to text, click on title, and type in this book belongs to. Let's make this a little bigger. Drag it up here at the top, make sure it's centered. That looks pretty good. And now we just want to insert a line. So I'm going to search for line here in the elements, and we can see they have shapes here. So let's just go to the shapes and find a line. This is a good looking line, just plain simple. This is all we need. Make sure it's at 0 degrees so you can make sure it's a straight line. Let's drag it down to the bottom and increase the stroke. There we go. That looks really good. And this is our belongs to page. Now, let's go down and add a copyright page. I honestly like to go to ChatGPT and just say, write me a coloring book copyright for my coloring book business. And here it goes. So you just do this, copy this over, paste it right in here. Let's bring the font down a ton. Let's bring it down to like 24. That's a bit small. We can go to 36. Let's line it up like this. I'm gonna go ahead and stick with that. Place this like this. And then what I'm going to do now is drag this down. Make this look a little more presentable. And then this stuff right down here, you really don't need this. You can take that out. And this is your copyright page. Just make sure you add your business name. And this is just a quick template that ChatGPT threw up. So you can go ahead and customize this however you want to customize this. Make sure you read through it. It says everything you want it to say. and then move on to your next page. Now, if you want, honestly, what I would do, I would move this blank page up, take one of the photos, put it in the background like this, move the transparency down so it looks something like this, and then put your brand name right here. So we're going to say something like, let's say Coloring Book Company. Let's go over to the fonts and let's just do like something like fun. Let's do a fun font. Fantastic. All right. I didn't want that to happen. If you don't want that to happen, go ahead and lock that background so it doesn't move. So let me grab this text over here. And then to make this even more fun, let's go ahead and add an effect. And let's go ahead and splice it. So what we're going to do, I'm actually going to make this white. So it looks something like this. And then we can go ahead and make the lines thicker so it pops out from the alligator a lot more. All right, so this is what it's going to look like. They open the book, they're going to see this page first. This is going to be the back of this page. Then they're going to see this page right here, Coloring Book Company. Now this looks terrible. Make sure you make this look better than what I've done. This is just a quick run through. And then on the back of this page right here, they're going to see the copyright page. And then voila, they're going to see their first page. It's going to be nothing on the back, just in case a marker bleeds through. You don't have to worry about it ruining another page. And then they're going to get another piece of artwork that they can color. And then you just continue on and you continue on. Now, we need a cover. Honestly, you can get a cover from Magic Media and Canvas. Alligator, elephant, let's do monkeys, all in the jungle. Fun, bright colors. And then let's let it generate the image for us. Wow. And look at what this generated. This is actually very good. Man, you can choose any of these. These would be really, really good. But when you get all the images in here like you need to, what you want to do is press download, and you want to download all of this as PDF print. This is the interior document that you're going to upload into Amazon KDP. Once you have your coloring book completed, you want to head over to Amazon KDP, and this is the website you want to be at. You would have to fill in all this information, choose paperback, fill in the title, author, and description, choose your categories, upload your PDF, set your price, and publish your book to Amazon. Now, it does take about 72 hours most of the time for it to be actually live on Amazon, because it's just checking to make sure everything is okay. To make your coloring book brand stand out, you want to be consistent in your style. Include 30 to 50 pages and make your covers bright, bold, and beautiful. They have to look good. And also, keywords really do play a big role in how your book is integrated into the Amazon platform, so make sure you choose those wisely. And if you don't know what type of keywords to use, of course, ask ChatGPT. But you can see how easy this is to crank out a coloring book per week. This is going to take no time for you to do that. Coloring Book AI gives beginners a huge shortcut. Imagine where your KDP brand can be in the next 6 months if you keep publishing good quality coloring books. If you want more AI tools and strategies to make money online, please subscribe. I post new ways to automate income every single week. And if you try out Coloring Book AI, leave me a comment in the description and let me know how it works out for you, because I would honestly love to hear about your results. If you like this business model, you might like this video right here. I go into depth about other business models you can start using AI.